It's cold and flu season, and it seems like every place you go, at least one person is sneezing. And sometime, if you're sneezing on a crowd place, then it's very embarrassing for her. So for prevent sneezing, you must try this thing. Press your tongue firmly against the back of your teeth to prevent a sneeze. It's dangerous to try and stop a sneeze if it has already begun, but if it's still on the way, press your tongue firmly against the back of your teeth to prevent it. If the sneeze has already started, look at a bright light to make it get over faster.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.